How to verify Trust Wallet account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see, we just installed Trust Wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on open. After that, you're going to click on get started. And over here, it's actually just very simple. You're just simply going to create a new wallet over here. And then you could choose either of the two, whether it's a secret phase or a different method here. You could click on create on the secret phrase, and you could either back it up manually or you could either back it up with an email over here. So over here, so let's say V, click on continue, and we will be able to save it inside of our Gmail. Click on select all over here, click on continue once again. You're just simply going to receive cryptocurrency or buy cryptocurrency to get your account settled. So what you could do is you click on receive over here, select the one that you want to receive, and get some crypto be sent to your account through your different wallets over here, wallet address, and you should then be able to utilize Trust Wallet and all of its important features. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.